I saw a little bit of Buckaroo going on there, mate. Kadong! Shit, I nearly forgot the chocolate brownie.
Well, the old front end doesn't provide much grip, really.
I think he's probably changing his tampon.
Change his tampon?
Yeah.
Silicon was a strap-on's now a phone case. Oh, wow! Rah. No, it's that way. That stinks. He's 22 now. He takes bookings. Whoa!
Welcome back, people. Tomorrow, Matt, Tim and I are heading over to Thetford Forest to attempt, hopefully complete, route number 2 of the Icebreaker Challenge, Rally Moto Series, Winter Series. Heading over there early doors tomorrow, picking Tim up at the services on the M5, picking Matt up at 6 AM, just getting the last bits of prep done. Heading over to Thetford Forest tomorrow, about a 3-hour drive. And then once we finish the route tomorrow, we're going to head back towards the Chiltern Hills. The plan is to then complete the Chiltern route number 3 for us, in the Chiltern Hills on Monday. Got a cheap B&B tomorrow night, cosy little room for 3 with Matt, Tim and I. Yeah, so bike's prepped. Yeah, get some shut eye. Get ready to leave early doors tomorrow morning. Right, loaded up, made a cup of tea, some bits in the van, time to go and get the boys. Locked and loaded. There's a lot of shit in there.
So we are in the van, but Tim disappeared about 5 minutes ago to just take his boots off.
I think he's probably changing his tampon.
Change his tampon?
Yeah.
He's either having a crap or changing his tampon.
He also has a poo when he gets married. It's like religious. And as soon as he gets married, he's like, oh, just going to go to the toilet, and then he goes and destroys the toilet.
Apparently your house like stirs up the feeling of like a bowel movement.
The brown tone.
Brown town.
Brown tone.
What's the time? 6:13.
Oh no, he's in the toilet.
He is in the toilet?
The lights are on, yeah.
He's definitely having a crap. You should have locked your front door, then he would have had to do it outside.
Oh mate, he takes ages to have a shit as well.
That's one. Alright mate, alright but.
I went round, I was like, what the fuck is that? I could just see the fucking bathroom light, and I was like, I know what Tim's doing.
Right boys.
But he's a flat one.
Right, well, we've just arrived at Thetford, and it seems to be the place for bikes to meet. There's tons of bikes here. A couple there, more there, more there. Time to unload and get kitted up.
Tim, on the other hand, has upgraded his.
So a £10 phone order, what a fucking decent.
Was that off like Alibaba?
Amazon.
Amazon. Alright, navigate to waypoint 1. Roll. Yeah, it's the next left. First precision navigation zone. Already fucked it up. Bit of off-road APS and traction control. Done any of that business.
Tim's gloves don't work with his phone.
His what?
Tim's gloves don't work with his phone.
Compared to your inability to use it last time, that's still an improvement. Right. Off-road already?
Nice.
into the ruts. Straight in to the ruts. Pretty sure not a huge amount of grip in that stuff, based on how easy this happens. Yeah, loads of wheel spin. I saw a little bit of buckaroo going on there, mate. Ka-dong! Well,
So
heavy bike on sand's the first for me.
yeah, mate.
Did you feel the front doing this? Like,
Wanted to do.
huh?
Whatever the fuck it wanted to do.
So tell me, Tim, how was your first experience of a big bike on sand?
Well, the old front end doesn't provide much grip, really.
That was there was a serious amount of like front wheel just
Oh yeah, it was
just started to wander either side, didn't it?
Yeah.
And you can't keep the front in a straight. It's just like, I'm going to wash that way, then I'm going to wash the other
it
way.
was almost like the slower you went, the worse it
Yeah,
got.
yeah, yeah. The only way I saved it is by just giving her a little.
Yeah. Like when we came after we came through that puddle,
Yeah.
I was in third and the traction just completely cut on.
Did it?
Yeah, that's what I had.
What, and you
As I
couldn't-
went
couldn't
into
get
that
anything?
Couldn't get anything, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was just like, that's why I just switched it off now because I'm like, yeah.
Doing more harm than it is good.
No, completely, yeah, because I need to throttle on to get through it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
I'm just literally like that, like nothing's happening.
When
Yeah.
we came out of the muddy bit before the sandy
My hands
bit,
have got really hot on these grips though.
when I saw all of that just slurry of shit on the floor,
yeah.
I realised how quick I was going into it. I just thought, don't fucking touch the
Yeah, don't
brakes.
touch anything.
I thought I'm going to be in such a fucking mess if I come down.
I know.
like that.
I reckon 9 times out of 10, your best bet if you're getting something wrong is just to go straight. Cool lane though.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I just realised you've got some snazzy new. They're better, aren't they?
Because I fucking snapped.
I know
the
you
other
did.
one,
I know you
so-
did. Yeah. Oh, we have a microphone again. Mint. So this sandy stuff is sketchy. Ridden sand on knobblies, but not on adventure tyres. Tyres are doing a pretty good job, but when the front digs in, you got to be brave and get a bit of throttle on, which is obviously counterintuitive, but that fourth? No, fourth. Let's have a bit of third. There we go. Wow. Swapping up, swapping up. Yeah, that sandy shit is so scary. That hard pack stuff you can see is alright. As soon as you start to see the dark brown, oh, Tim is doing well today. He's gelled. Oh, look at that rut. Let's get past him. Scare him a bit. Oh, I don't want to get too much on that. See that stuff? The front's digging now. Front is digging. Too much fun. These bikes are so capable, man. 29.95, Matt.
I reckon we're 29.98.
Oh, sorry, you're right. Yeah. Good job, Matty's here to do a little bit of navigation on his shitty little 1998 Android phone with his Amazon £3.99 silicon. Was a strap-ons, now a phone case.
That's how we roll.
Yeah.
£600 helmet, £40 jacket.
When are you buying your 600 quid helmet?
What's that?
When are you buying your 600 quid helmet?
When they come out.
And then I'll have to buy one because this thing's about as heavy as the bike. Right, matey. 29.98 left.
Yeah.
Alright, do you want to follow you, shall I? No. Oh, yeah, maybe. Oh, yeah. Sorry, mate. Matty's got the nav down. Good job he's here. We're not doing very well with our navs today. Too busy ripping up sandy lanes to pay attention to our navigation. Sorry, we're not ripping up any lanes, being very sensible. A little bit ripping up lanes. I'd like to say it's really beautiful around here, but the weather's pretty junk. It's pretty foggy today. Oh, don't get in the soft stuff. Don't get in the soft stuff. Oh, we're in the soft stuff. Yeah, that's slippy. That soft stuff. So slippy. Kind of less slippy and just kind of bites the tyre. Front wheel buries itself. Then you're going where the front wheel wants to go. Yeah, go on, Timo. He's threading the needle today. He is threading the needle. Oh, that soft stuff again. Soft sand, man. I'm not sure. I think it's better when it's a bit wet. Yes, Tim. I definitely didn't pick the right side here. Yeah, I've gone the wrong way. Good, let's try and turn a 220 kilo bike around in a rut. You're going to be glad you're here watching this because this could go wrong. Probably is going to go wrong. No, it's that way!
No, I said that way.
What are you saying? Huh?
We'll figure it.
Motocross track. That is a big bike to be moving around. It's a big bike to move around in there, isn't it?
Slowest thing in the world to get to move around.
Yeah.
Was that loud?
Yeah.
Oh, this is looks like a really nice gravel road. Let's light her up. Oh, this stuff's fun. This stuff's fun. There's enough grip to just let the traction control cut out, but then enough loose stuff that the rear can just light up. If you can keep the front wheel light, it's not too bad. It's just, let's just do a standing start for funsies. Ready? Unreal fun. Unreal fun. 56.9, we're going left. I could ride that shit all day, mate. Apparently Tim has a little surprise.
I know Mark would be super excited about these.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, pigs in blankets.
Oh, go on, son! Get in!
Yeah, proper
Full
pigs.
length. Cheers, Timo.
No little pigs here.
like a pig cigar.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, and I'll have one of my paracetamols for my.
oh, look at you.
Well, you know.
I think that is one of the most gittish things I've ever seen. I mean, I'll be pretty glad when you save my life.
Oh, I won't tell him I've got one as well. And a tourniquet.
I got zip ties.
Hey, you can fix someone's leg with a zip tie. Matt, don't waste them, mate.
I'm not wasting them. That will be going in the market.
Pig will be down there eating it, getting high.
Yeah.
Bum fingerer.
Where does he live?
He's 22 now. He takes bookings. He's got an OnlyFans page. It's called My Finger My Thumb. Probably won't put that on YouTube. Oh, go on, matey. Wow, front dug in then. Go on, Matt. Looking good on that big bike. Oh god, that's horrible. Fuck yeah! That's good. Wow, these lanes are so good. That was a lot of fun. Well, we are not even quite halfway through really, which is pretty mad. It's 1:30. We started at about 11. Last time we did one of these, we were kind of out till gone dark in the rain off-road, which was suboptimal. hopefully, we were hoping that we were going to get round before dark today, but we've got what, 1, 2, 3, got 2.5 hours of daylight-ish, and we are not even halfway through, so we shall see. Maybe the last half or second half will tick off a bit quicker. Bloody good fun out here, lots of flat lanes, which means a bit less technical, so you can get a bit more of a lick on, which is good fun. This stuff, you have to have your wits about you. Front just pushes at any given moment, especially that soft stuff there. Got to keep a bit of momentum up to keep some direction, otherwise it tends to just fold and flip-flop. Yeah, see, that light coloured stuff's alright, the dark coloured stuff. It's a workout. Trying to keep some momentum, it's a workout. Got to push her down into the holes. My feet came off the pegs then. Yeah, Matty is right there. Cannot shake that boy. Oh wow, we're going up to 67.
Yeah.
Loads of off-road, mate. Just like to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, this guy in front of me has 2 false hips as a result of pretty severe leukemia that he got over. Had to have both hips replaced, and here he is, chucking an 1100cc Africa Twin around. Proper man crush. What a boy. What a boy. This sandy stuff wants to just bite the front wheel. Kind of hard following someone closely because, whoa! Wow! Wow, that nearly went. That was pretty scary. Wow, this stuff is not grippy. Holy fuck! That nearly went so wrong!
What's that?
You missed, you obviously didn't see me. I let the front dig in, and then I got a full-on swap on. And in my head I was like, the only way to save this is to grab a hand for the throttle. And it did work, but at one point it was going, hurrah, hurrah, hurrah.
Really soft, isn't it?
So soft, mate. Yeah, go on, Matty. Give me something to look at. Wow, that is so worked out. So worked out, that's mental. Mate, I think that's one of the best, like, longest bits of off-road I've ridden in a long time. Yeah. Like, mega for these. You'd get bored on an enduro bike.
Yeah.
But riding these big bikes off-road is so new. You really do have to steer with the rear, because other than a full enduro tyre, you just haven't got the front end grip that you're looking for. Got to steer with the rear. When the front goes, you got to have this mindset to grab a handful throttle, which is totally counterintuitive, of course, but it's the only way. If you keep rolled off and the front starts to go, it just keeps going. Can't save it. Well, I can't. Maybe if you're a better rider you could. Oh yeah, a little bit. Oh, that was a ditch. Didn't see that one. Straight across the bridge. Matty's with me, of course he is. Always. Can't shake the boy. Can we? Oh no, we can't get up there, can we? Yeah, we can. Go on. Oh, that's a hole. Go on, Ad. Hole. Whoa! Bottom that fork out. Go on. Can't see. Big hole. Can't see. Sun in my face. Ah! Matty's on one. The boy's so smooth. So smooth. Look at him. Oh man. I've been trying to catch him for the last 500 metres and So good, man. So good. Getting towards the 100k point. 50k to go. 2/3 down, a third to go. It's probably going to be dark, I reckon. Oh, we're going down there, yeah. Oh, that was a bad idea. Thetford Forest. Come and ride it while it's still here, before someone closes it all. Unreal. Like an actual playground. Sadly, all of this will disappear one day because Karen gets upset. But everyone we've come across today pretty much has been relatively friendly. But then, you know, like, we're friendly to them. I think most people are. There's an expectation from bikers that someone will be rude to them. But I think once you adjust that a little bit and you're polite, most people are happy to see you.
Fucking bit of your poo come out on these whoops there.
Yeah. Did you hit what?
Cross-rutted on these fuckers.
That stinks. You get no warning whether some of those potholes are actually quite deep. Whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! Fucking hell! Just got absolutely caked. They were so deep. Man, I want to film them going over that. That was fucking brilliant. Please hit them. Please hit the puddle. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. There we go. There she is. Oh no! I was stood there like, should I tell him or should I just let him ride into it? Love a pressure washer right by the van. That'll do nicely. So,
106 miles.
106 miles.
Well, I fucking did about 20 extra than you boys. Just,
Tim's into extra mileage.
just into the extra training, really.
Such a good navigator.
Well, Thetford route is done.
Indeed.
It was an absolute banger. Managed to wash the bikes a bit, ready for tomorrow. Just eating some chocolate brownie and we've got an hour's drive to the hotel.
Time for an Indian.
Time for a curry and some beers, eh?
You too.
Well, Tom, don't forget, like, share, subscribe and all that jazz. See you next time.